I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com. Every night we watch the same shows, Fast Money and Mad Money, and we want to use those ideas to grow our money. Well, good trading takes more than just pushing the buy button every morning to get the stocks you saw on TV last night. Okay, I'm here to help you make money on these three stocks I saw on TV. We're going to start with ULTA here. Love this company. Love the stock. They reported earnings, and wow, where's the stock trading at? We got to do this. Okay, this stock was up like at one point about 20 bucks or so after hours. And they were talking about this on Fast Money, and the consensus was you got to sell into this. I got no problem with that. If a stock is up as much as this is, I mean, probably be up 10% tomorrow morning. It pays to sell into that because it's just such a quick profit. In the past, though, I mean, look at what's happened with this stock. Like a year ago, stock gapped up, and since that opening gap, it's up another 40% or so. But it also gapped up and then traded sideways forever. Comes up again, same thing. These sideways trends forever. You got the big move here. Now you've got the big move here. Again, I like ULTA, but I don't think it's shorted enough. I don't think there's such a huge short interest that you're going to see a big squeeze tomorrow. I have no idea what's going to happen first thing in the morning, but I will tell you this. I would be selling into that strength as a trade. Longer term, though, any kind of pullback, if we get a really bad dumpy day in the market, I would totally want to be buying this thing back because ultimately I think it goes higher. Okay, let's look at other stores here. Chico's. Wow, Chico's and the man here. Chico and the man. Not a good thing here. They reported earnings. They're cutting costs. Just brutal. I don't get any of my stuff from Chico's. Apparently neither does anybody else. The stock was down a lot bigger during the day. It only closed down less than 3% after some really nasty numbers. Here's my deal. This is not a trade for me. If the stock falls back to 960 or so, it could probably go even lower. But if you're kind of a nimble trader, here's really the analysis. You got ultimate support right there. Stock opened there, closed up there. So you want to see this stock continue to trade higher. If it starts trading back into this range, maybe you would ultimately make money on it because, again, this is a higher low. But the stock's under pressure. Retail's under pressure. Do you really want to go to Chico's? Instead, go to Abercrombie & Fitch. I don't think so. Look, ULTA is still the place to go. Abercrombie & Fitch, also some pretty brutal earnings. Like their quarterly results were horrible. This is a stock, it traded down, kept going. It's still under distribution. You'd probably get a short-term oversold bounce tomorrow. But don't you think after this kind of move and after the dismal quarter that they had, that any big funds, any big money managers who happen to still be owning this pig, I mean, talk about a marketing campaign for pedophilia. You look at some of those. I digress. It's like I just see their marketing efforts and think, you guys, your stock deserves to be at zero. Again, I digress. But the bottom line is, if you're a big money manager and you still own this stock after the kind of quarter that they reported, you're going to want to be selling into any strength at all. And I think that's ultimately what's going to be happening here. So just get out, stay out, and move on. And hey, look to buy ULTA on any kind of a pullback. Okay, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick. These are three stocks I saw on TV. Hope you'll check us out over at StockMarketMentor.com.